In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the ElevenLabs MCP, a powerful tool for managing your custom MCP servers effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the installation process. First, we need to open the MCP integrations. To do this, navigate to the MCP Server Integrations dashboard, and there you'll see an option to click Add Custom MCP Server. This is your starting point for creating your first MCP server. Once you've clicked on that, it's time to configure your MCP server. You'll be prompted to enter a few key details. The first field you'll see is for the name of your MCP server. A suggestion would be to name it something descriptive, such as Zapier MCP server, or any name that makes sense for its intended purpose. Next, you have a section for the description. Here, you want to include a brief overview of what the MCP server can do. This will help both you and your team understand its functionality at a glance. Now, onto the important part, the server URL. This is where you'll input the URL of your MCP server. If this URL contains a secret key, it's crucial to treat it like a password and store it as a workspace secret to ensure you're keeping your information secure. You might also see an optional field for a secret token. This acts as an authorization header value and can enhance your security. There are additional optional fields for HTTP headers, and this is where you would enter any other headers that the server might require for proper functioning. After filling in all these details, the next step is to save your configuration and test the connection. You'll click on Add Integration, which will save all the information you've entered, and then check to see if it can connect properly. This step is vital because it lists the available tools connected to your MCP server, making sure everything is in working order. Once you've verified the connection, the MCP server is now available to add to your agents. It's worth mentioning here that ElevenLabs MCP supports both public and private agents, so you can integrate it according to your specific setup. Now you might be wondering about tool approval modes. ElevenLabs provides you with flexible approval controls to manage how agents request permission to use tools from the MCP servers. You can configure these approval settings at both the MCP server level and the individual tool level, offering you maximum control over security. The available approval modes include an Always Ask option. This is recommended for maximum security, as the agent will request your permission before using any tool. There's also a fine-grained tool approval mode, where you can specify which tools are pre-approved to run automatically and which ones still require your explicit permission. Finally, there's the No Approval option, which allows the assistant to use any tool without requiring your permission. The fine-grained tool control is very useful in setting specific requirements for individual tools. Depending on your needs, you'll set each tool's status as either auto-approved, requiring approval, or entirely disabled. This gives you precise control and helps you manage risks effectively. So that's a comprehensive overview of how to install and set up the ElevenLabs MCP.